Welcome. If you want to use Face Unlock in your LG G6, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the general and then tap on the lock screen and the security. Scroll down, tap on the face recognition, click right here next, and we have to input our log method for the first. So selected pattern, click next, draw it once again, tap on the confirm. And right now we can manage the notifications, and right now we have to add our face. So let's start. And right now our smartphone is scanning our face. We have to keep our head in the circle, and right now we are ready to use, so click here, and right now we can check how it works. So let's lock our device, unlock, and yes, it is working. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.